Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Chi Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And I'm here to report. There's nothing to report for today. Yeah, it's cold, and we got wind again today. Not really bad winds, but as you can see, there's enough to move the trees and shade cloth and that stuff around. And it's getting cold right now, so I'm going to call it a day, and it's a day, and go inside and kick back and relax and plug the electric heater in because I think it's going to be chilly tonight. Anyway, weird clouds. There's clear blue skies everywhere except that right there. That's interesting, huh? So, tonight I already ate. I made a cheeseburger, but I didn't have any lettuce. I had tomato and onion and cheese and all that, but I didn't have any lettuce. So I went out to the garden and I got some Swiss chard and I put it in place of the lettuce. And you know what? It was a good cheeseburger. I'm going to have to do that more often. A little bit higher in vitamin K and a little bit more nutritious than plain old iceberg lettuce, which is all empty calories, all water. Anyway, that's what I did. Just closed up the containers and that, and I did pick up a product at the post office today that I want to do a review on, and I have the box in the van. And I couldn't do it today because of the winds. I got to do it on a table outside. It's a pretty good sized box. And I got the table set up in front of the shipping containers. But the winds were just a little bit too windy. So the heck with that, right? Yep. So anyway, hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. And I'll try to get that done. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. This is Chi Bear, signing off.